Superscripts or subscripts are special text formatting. These can be used to highlight specific information in a table, mathematical equations, or molecular formulas. Microsoft Excel allows you to apply superscript or subscript format to your text. Select any cell or range of cells to which you want to apply the script format. Go to the Home tab and launch Format Cells options from the Font group. From the Font tab, select either the Superscript or Subscript option to format your text. Enter the edit mode of the cell that contains the text to partially format. Highlight or select the part of the text to format, and the rest of the procedure is the same. Go to the Draw tab. Click on the Ink to Math command in the Convert section. In the Math Input Control dialog box, draw your text. It will produce the text in the required format.